Hello friends, welcome back to my new video. Friends, today guys we are going to avoid guys how to off mobile hotspot in our oppo phone. Friends, you want to turn off your mobile hotspot so as you can turn off it. And guys, now let's see how to turn off mobile hotspot in our oppo phone. In this video I will show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so friend, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and guys like my video. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to off your mobile hotspot. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see the connection sharing option, can tap here and guys click on your hotspot setting. Again guys you can see your personal hotspot setting. So friends, you want to off, so as you can turn off from here. So you will, when you will tap this icon, this hotspot will off and guys you can see code option will remove. Then guys you cannot use guys your mobile hotspot in your oppo phone. Guys you want to use, so you will have to turn on again. Then guys you can use your QR code and guys your hotspot setting guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off mobile hotspot in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet in the next video. Bye bye friends.